This case is already off to a tense start. A sister accused of making a terroristic threat against her own family member, facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. But here's the real twist. Were these just empty words or a crime worthy of jail time? Stay with us, because the judge's decision may surprise you.
Jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Judge, on March 20th, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, officers responded to a terroristic threat call. The complaining witness and the defendant are sisters, and complaining witness say the defendant is not allowed to go into a residence. The complaining witness's son mistakenly let the defendant and her husband in, and they drank the beer.
Here's where things get dramatic. The defendant allegedly told her own sister, "I'll slap you in front of your family and even at your job." Now, legally, the issue is this. Do these words rise to the level of a terroristic threat, or are they simply heated family drama? What do you think?
The complaining witness texted the defendant about her being in the residence, and the defendant responded with threatening messages that said the defendant will slap CW and show up at, slap the complaining witness and show up at the complaining witness's job. The complaining witness stated she feared for her safety.
What the hell does that mean? It's got to be serious bodily injury, man. Or
Yes, Judge.
are we putting everybody in jail now for whatever?
Judge, that's really all I have.
Statute.
Sure.
Okay, what was it said exactly again?
Judge, the message that the defendant sent to complaining witness states exactly, "Bitch, don't talk out your ass because I will go to your house and..."
This is a powerful moment. The judge points out that for a threat to be criminal, it usually requires the potential of serious bodily injury. In other words, it's not enough to just say, "I'll slap you." This raises a big legal question. Should words alone ever land someone behind bars?
Slap you in front of your family. I'll even come to your job.
That's not imminent serious bodily injury. Come on. All right, I'm going to find no probable cause. Ma'am, as the old adage says, sticks and stones, right? Words will never hurt. They actually can. You have to be careful what you say, who you say it to, because it could end you, you could end up in hot water. I'm going to find no probable cause in this case. The idea also is that if you don't have a good relationship with someone, it's probably best not to just inject yourself repeatedly in there because you're asking for trouble,
Right.
I mean, you now know. All right, ma'am, please.
And just like that, the case is dismissed. No probable cause, meaning the judge ruled that words, without a real threat of serious harm, weren't enough to move forward. A powerful reminder that in court, intent matters just as much as action. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.